Hello, welcome again. We are solving general ability test of year 2024 of NDA NA1 exam. Question number 109 is which of the following statement regarding earthquakes is are correct? 1. The point on the earth's surface directly above the focus is called the epicenter of the earthquake. 2. Earthquakes generate primary and secondary waves that radiate outward from the earthquake focus. 3. Deep focused earthquakes are likely to cause more damage than shallow focused earthquakes. Select the answer using the code given below. Option A 1 only, option B 1 and 2 only, option C 2 and 3 only, option D 1, 2 and 3. So answer is option B, 1 and 2 only, means first and second statement are correct. The point, first statement is the point on earth's surface directly above the focus is called epicenter of the earthquake, and second is earthquake generate primary and secondary waves that radiate outward from the earthquake focus. Explanation is, uh, for the first statement the explanation is the location of below the earth's surface where earthquake start is called hypocenter, and the location directly above it on the surface of earth is called epicenter. So that is correct statement. Second is about primary and secondary wave. So earthquake do generate primary and secondary wave, secondary seismic waves that radiate outward from the earthquake focus. These waves are crucial for understanding the earthquake behavior and earth's internal structure. So second is also correct, but third is not correct. In third, opposite statement is correct. Third statement is deep focus earthquakes are likely to cause more damage than shallow focus earthquakes. That is wrong statement. Deep focus earthquakes are likely to cause less damage, okay, as compared to shallow focus earthquakes. Explanation is shallow focus earthquakes occur within earth crust 0 to 70 kilometer deep, while deep focus earthquake occur deeper within earth mantle 70 to 700 kilometer deep. Shallow focus earthquakes are more common and tend to cause more surface damage due to their proximity to the surface, while deep focus earthquakes, to less common, can be powerful but generally cause less surface damage. So answer is option B. First and second statement are correct.